Anybody out there ever just eat a spoonful of mayonnaise?
Regulators! Mount up!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Okay, so this is a collaboration video, hashtag Mayo. I'm going to be doing it with a few other YouTubers that started it. Dad's Incredible. He's one of them. Cooking with Kory. He's part of this. And Mama Julie Cooks, along with a bunch of others. But those three I know for sure. I'll have links down in the description to their channels. Definitely go check them out. So I'm going to do 2 rack of ribs today. And I'm going to use 2 different styles of mayo as my binder. Either this is going to come out really good or it's not, but we'll find out. So everybody, you know, I'm going to do a basic 3-2-1 method. Going to pull the membrane off, put some binder on it, mayo binder, some seasonings, put them on the Rec Tec bowl named Stanley for 3 hours, and then wrap them. Probably wrap them for an hour, hour and a half. We'll just see. Check tenderness after that. Unwrap them. Maybe put a little sauce on them, and we'll see if mayo has any effect to the flavor as a binder. So I'm not going to go through all the details of how I do, you know, the prep and then taking the membrane and all off, because there's plenty of videos out there. But we'll just go through it, and we'll see what the end results are. So stick around. Okay, along with this little experiment, what I have is I have 1 rack of baby backs and 1 rack of St. Louis style ribs. We'll compare those two. And we're going to use as one of our mayo binders, Duke's real mayonnaise. This stuff is really good. We're going to use this as one binder, and then the other one, I found this in our fridge, so I thought I'd give it a try. Mayo chup. So it's like ketchup and mayonnaise mixed together. We'll throw that on there, see if it adds any flavor to it or not. Then we're going to season it. As our main season will be Kingsford Original, all-purpose. And then we're going to come back and add a little bit of the Shed Rib Rack Attack Rub. So we'll get these seasoned up and bind it up and the membrane taken off, and we'll go from there. ribs have been resting for about an hour, letting the seasoning to meld into the meat. Got the Rec Tec up to temp. Time to put them on. Okay, these have been on the smoker for 3 hours. Now we're going to take them and we're going to wrap them. So let me show you what I do there. Alrighty, I got my buddy Fernando over here to taste some mayonnaise and drink some beer. Cheers, Fernando.
Cheers. Cheers, my friend.
We got ourselves some red, white, and no-lead pale ale out of Spokane, Washington, I believe.
Yep.
Very nice. Actually tastes pretty good.
It's good.
Alrighty. So what I got here is I've got a store brand, a nationwide brand, and then kind of a specialty, almost nationwide brand. And we're going to taste each one and see if we can tell the difference. The wind's picking up, my camera's moving. Or did I drink too many beers all
No, it's moving.
Oh, okay.
It's
All
moving.
right. I might have to edit that out. Alrighty. What do you say we try the best foods first?
Okay.
Alright. Anybody out there ever just eat a spoonful of mayonnaise? That's kind of salty, actually. Not bad, though.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and try the generic brand. See if there's a difference. I really can't tell the difference.
I can't tell the difference, man.
Wow. Alright. Now I'll put my beer in front of that. We really like the Dukes. Let's go ahead and try that.
Okay, there's a taste
Yeah.
difference there.
Yeah, that's good. That almost tastes like eggs to me.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. Which one do you like?
I think I'm gonna go with the Dukes. I just kind of want to spread this all over myself and bathe in it, man, and jump in the pool. Come on, man.
Alright, so our ribs have now been on wrap for the 2 hours, and it's time to take them out and see what they look like. Gotta have a quick peek though. Oh yeah, give it some nice pullback. Perfect. Let's take them out and sauce them up and get them back on here. Alright, here we have our St. Louis. They got done a little sooner than the baby backs. And let's go ahead and cut into it and see what we got. We got beautiful bone pullback. That looks so good. Perfect. A nice meaty one for our taste tester over here. There you go, Fernando.
Thank you.
Get you in there. It's gonna be hot. All right, so we use the Mayo up chup on this. Ketchup and mayonnaise as our binder. And then the rest of it was the same with a little bit of baby back, or not baby back, I'm sorry. Sweet baby rays on it, not much, but whew, let's just take a little sample bite. Oh. That's why I love ribs.
Wow. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Nice bite right there. Not quite fall off the bone, but so close, just the way I like it. What do you think, Fernando?
I think it's amazing.
Amazing, isn't it? This is why I'm fat, people. Alright, so here we have our baby backs. Nice bone pull back on it. Let's give these a try. Have a quick look at a look. Wow. Ooh. Extremely warm because they're just off the grill. Beautiful. Fernando, here's your weapon. Careful, it's warm.
Wow.
Need a napkin?
Yeah, I'm gonna need another one. Thank you, sir.
Alrighty, let's see if we can tell any difference between these and the spare ribs. Yeah, I really can't tell a difference. I love them all.
No difference there, Lewis. Tastes the same.
Once again, nice bite through. Yeah. Both of them are extremely delicious.
Yep. He nails it, Lewis.
Delicious. Okay, there's our entry into the hashtag Mayo. Once again, the other channels will be down in the description box, and go check all of them out. They're good cooks. So honestly, as far as the ribs go and the binder, really didn't make a difference. Which, you know, I pretty much figured anyways, but it was worth a shot. The taste test of the different mayos, that was a lot of fun to do. I hope you enjoyed that. Took a while to get people to want to do that with me. Good thing my buddy Fernando said, if you make me ribs, I'll come over and do it. So he's looking forward to more cooks, and I really thank him for stopping by. Once again, as I always say, thank you for watching, and you can do this too. Grill on.